When integrating a full-spectrum strength training rig into a home environment without stretching your budget to gym club levels, the Marcy Home Gym Workout Station with curl pads stands out as an exceptional value proposition. Hey guys, welcome back to my Auto MT YouTube channel. From the moment you unbox it, the machine's robust craftsmanship is unmistakable. Its structure is forged from solid 11-gauge alloy steel, the guide rods reinforcing the weight stack exude durability, and every weld and fastener feels engineered to endure relentless workouts. Even under heavy resistance up to the advertised 300-pound user threshold, the frame displays no disconcerting give or wobble. This steadfast rigidity not only inspires confidence during demanding lifts but also assures that your focus remains on perfecting form and chasing new personal bests, rather than second-guessing the integrity of your equipment. Functionality and variety are where Marcy's designers have truly shone. In a footprint of just 68 inches by 36 inches, rising to a height of 79 inches, the station integrates a lat pull-down assembly, dual high and low pulley systems, a preacher curl pad, and a leg developer. Such versatility allows for a remarkably comprehensive regimen. Sculpt your back through pull-downs with unwavering tension. Dial in on isolated curls with the preacher pad's firm, high-density upholstery, and crank out controlled up crunches or face pulls by simply swapping attachments at the pulleys. By adjusting the pin on the selectorized stack offering 10-pound increments up to 150 pounds, you can move seamlessly from heavy compound lifts to lighter isolation work, or conquer back-to-back supersets without scrambling for weight plates. This near-instantaneous resistance shift transforms your workout flow, slashing downtime and amplifying training density, a boon for anyone constrained by tight schedules or seeking a more efficient pathway to strength gains. Despite packing multiple stations into its compact frame, the assembly process is surprisingly straightforward. The instruction manual's clear, step-by-step illustrations guide you through erecting the main chassis, routing cables through pulleys, and securing each component in place. Tackling the build solo took me approximately 3 hours, though I found that temporarily lining up every bolt loosely before final torquing, an insider tip from a veteran Marcy user, ensured optimal pulley alignment and smooth cable travel. All necessary hardware, from hex wrenches to a ratchet-ready socket and appropriate nuts, is included, relieving you from borrowing tools or scavenging through your garage toolkit. Once assembled, the station's space efficiency becomes apparent. In a 10 by 12-foot workout nook, it occupies a mere corner, leaving generous breathing room for free weight training, stretching, or cardio drills. The sleek black powder coat finish not only imparts a professional aesthetic but also fends off scratches, sweat, and moisture, maintaining its appearance with minimal upkeep. Functionally, the cable system's sealed bearing pulleys glide with near-inaudible smoothness, allowing for drop sets and supersets without the grating squeaks or jerks that plague lesser home gyms. Whether you're pressing through leg extensions, executing low-row cable pulls, or isolating chest flies, the response is predictably linear, mirroring the feel of a commercial-grade club. One of the station's crowning virtues is its ability to supplant multiple standalone machines. A typical session might begin with vertical knee raises on the high pulley, transition to seated rows on the low pulley, shift to preacher curls on the curl pad, and conclude with triceps pushdowns, all by merely adjusting a single pin and swapping a handle or bar. This fluid interchange between exercises keeps the heart rate elevated, lending a cardiovascular element to strength workouts and maximizing calorie burn. In practical terms, what could have been an hour of equipment juggling instead becomes a streamlined 45-minute powerhouse circuit. Admittedly, the Marcy station isn't without minor imperfections. Taller users, particularly those above 6'2", may find the thigh support for the lat pull-down a touch short for achieving perfect lock-in. Similarly, lifters approaching the 300-pound capacity might feel constrained during weighted dips or unassisted pull-up progressions. The preacher curl pad, while offering substantial padding, could be widened slightly to accommodate broader shoulder spans more comfortably. And for beginners less versed in cable-based training, a more thorough usage guide complete with sample routines and safety pointers would help demystify exercise selection and reinforce correct technique from the outset. Yet when these quibbles are weighed against the station's sub-$700 price tag, they pale in comparison to the overwhelming benefits. You're essentially obtaining what feels like a $1,200 commercial setup, complete with heavy-duty steel framing, a broad exercise arsenal, whisper-quiet pulley operation, and the coveted preacher curl attachment for nearly half the cost. That sentiment is echoed in the feedback from over 190 global purchasers, whose collective 4.4-star average review rating highlights ease of assembly, solid build quality, and outstanding value. A handful of customers reported minor cosmetic dents to the weight stack cover upon delivery, but Marcy's responsive customer service swiftly addressed these issues, ensuring functionality remained uncompromised. For fitness enthusiasts aiming to replicate the all-in-one convenience of a commercial gym within the comfort of home, whether you're accelerating post-injury rehabilitation, squeezing in efficient high-intensity training between work commitments, or pursuing hypertrophy with razor-sharp focus, the Marcy Home Gym Workout Station with curl pad delivers a level of adaptability and quality seldom found at this price point. It engages every major muscle group through precisely controlled, cable-driven resistance that closely approximates professional club equipment. All of this is achieved without monopolizing your training area the way a full rack or multiple individual machines would. Ultimately, the Marcy Home Gym Workout Station with curl pad merits its status as a foundational element of any home gym. Its formidable construction, intelligent design, and selectorized weight stack coalesce into a workout experience that rivals the real gym feel, all without the burden of a monthly membership fee. While exceptionally tall or heavy users may encounter minor limitations, the station's overall performance, seamless operation, and exceptional price-to-feature ratio render these trade-offs negligible. Priced at $669 and bolstered by a chorus of satisfied users, this machine is an investment poised to yield dividends in the form of strength gains, muscle growth, and the freedom to train on your schedule anytime, any day, right in your own home.